that cheap or is that?
No, it's kind of expensive, I think. I should just start like butchering. I should just start skinning my own like when like I've gotten deer in the past, but like it's so expensive. Like for $200, I could go and buy so much meat,
Yeah.
I think I'd rather like if you skin it yourself, cut up the meat yourself, it saves like $125.
We used to butcher cows and stuff ourselves, just to save money. We would buy the cows and half of the, they would cut it in half and stuff.
Yeah.
But we would do the rest of the butcher. They would gut it and just cut the skin it and gut it in half.
Yeah,
Cut it in half, and we would just cut the meat up and stuff like that.
I got you.
And then we used to buy live cattle. We used to buy live cattle. But we don't really do that anymore.
Is that you and your parents?
Yeah, we used to buy live cattle and then kill them, and then butcher them. But my uncle got hurt one year. The cow ran over his knee, shattered his knee, and ever since then we just don't get live animals anywhere. We get them cut in half, get it skinned, and then we just butcher it ourselves.
Right.
It saves a lot of money. Let's see if my friend is. Oh man, I kind of want to drill a couple more holes along here, but I don't really want to scare them either. Are those sardines? Oh my God, we got the biggest food.
Oh,
Yeah, that's cool. There's not a lot of people like that.
not a lot. No, not a lot of people like. No, a lot of people don't.
Anchovies are high in salt, but I like to eat them too.
Yeah, well, they're actually good for you too. They're like really, really high in salt, but they're actually have a lot of different nutrients in them.
You're the first person other than me, that I've actually seen.
Really?
That's cool. Did you get them in Dollar General?
Yeah, I didn't get them there. I got them.
No, you're lying this one?
No, I thought.
Oh, it's not supposed to be tight.
That's the trigger there. When the fish pulls on it, it releases it.
Oh, so it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
That wasn't true. Oh, did you hear about that 40-inch pipe caught out of the heaters?
What? Recently?
Yeah.
When?
Eric said, you know the guy that we were fishing, you and Eric were fishing with the other day with the beard?
Oh, Jerry.
Yeah, he sent pictures apparently. The guy caught a 40-inch pike.
Really?
Yeah. That's what Eric told me, so I don't know if it's true or not. It probably is if you told me.
Right.
You never know.
I think Eric's pretty truthful.
What's up?
I think Eric's pretty truthful.
Yeah. Yeah, nobody here yet. Huh. Yeah. Yeah. That's the only bad part about frozen lemonade. That's the only bad part about frozen lemonade.
No.
When it melts with the more sugar.
Right.
That's like basically like putting a whole giant scoop or a pound full of sugar in a water and drinking it. I'm gonna restart my live stream.